Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to give your images soft, dreamy edges in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 600 by 200 pixels. Next, go to Elements, search for a photo, and drag it onto your canvas. This sets up a custom image with your chosen photo. Set this image as the background. Next, add a new page. Insert a rectangle shape onto the page. Adjust its size and position as needed. This will serve as a foundation for your design elements in the following steps of the tutorial. Expand the sheet to fill the entire page. Next, change the background color to transparent, then add a visible border around the sheet for clear definition. Increase the value to 16, then try setting it to 20. Once you've adjusted the settings, click Save. After that, click the Share button to share your work. Finally, click Download to save the file to your device. This completes the process of adjusting and saving your settings. Increase the size, select transparent background, choose only page 2, then click Done and Download to save your edited image file. Return to the previous page, then drag the order to the desired position. Make sure it is correctly placed before proceeding to the next step in your workflow. This ensures proper organization and processing. Open the folder and click Edit. Select the blur option, then adjust the intensity slider to 100. This applies a full blur effect to your content, enhancing privacy or focus as needed. Use this tool anytime you want to obscure sensitive information quickly and effectively within your project. Next, change the corner style and adjust the color to white. This will enhance the design and ensure the element stands out clearly against the background. Make sure the changes apply consistently across all relevant sections for a polished look. Apply a filter to locate the white element. Adjust the settings to isolate the white color. Then, modify the element's properties to turn it completely white. This process helps in identifying and enhancing the white areas within your project for better visibility and design consistency. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. You can still edit the color to white. To add more, simply duplicate the element. This allows quick customization and expansion while keeping your design consistent and efficient. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate your design quickly. To add it in Canva, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the option to remove the transparent background if needed. Finally, select the desired file type and download your image. This process ensures your design is duplicated and saved with the correct settings efficiently. Open the first page, then click Done to proceed. Now you know how to blur edges and add a feather effect in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.